What is up, fam? Welcome to this week's video blog on Bentwan's block. I appreciate you joining us. Today we're going to be getting into some Bitcoin market cap. Quick, easy little read here. We're touching 300 billion, 90% of the all-time high, as you can see here in the headlines. Let's jump right in to break this down. What's going on with Bitcoin for all those newbies jumping into the market space and they want to know what's going on. You got to know a little bit about the history of what happened in 2017 and what's going on right now and why it's so important. So Bitcoin's market cap has broken the elusive 300 billion mark. It's the first time that Bitcoin's market cap has topped 300 billion since December 2017. Bitcoin is now 90% of the way toward matching its all-time highest market cap value. As the price of Bitcoin pushed past 16,000 mark over the last 24 hours, Bitcoin's market cap broke the elusive 300 billion mark. That's the first time it's done so since December 19th, 2017, folks. 2017, we love it. We want to see that again, and I think we're getting there. At the time, Bitcoin's price touched 20,000, and its market cap went as high as 333 billion. According to Coin Market Cap, Bitcoin's market cap is now just over 302 billion. That means that's 90% of the way toward matching its all-time highest market cap value. Wow, that is exciting stuff. Look here, take a little peeky poo at the chart. Looks like, yeah, that's the highest all-time high of 333 billion in 2017. And look at this, we are just running right up right now. It is crazy times. Love to see this, and that's why you get into crypto, folks. So it makes sense that the market cap is a closer figure and it will break its milestone before Bitcoin's price does. This is because a coin's market cap is calculated by multiplying the number of coins and its price. Since Bitcoin's inflation rate produces around 657,000 Bitcoin per year, half that since the halving, its market cap will continue to rise even if the price is steady. That's good to know. Bitcoin's share of the cryptocurrency market had been declining in recent months. While Bitcoin's market dominance has been as low as 33% in the past, it typically hovered around the 65% mark between late 2019 and early 2020. So let's get into the Bitcoin versus altcoin market caps here. It's going to take a little bit of a dive into this, not too deep though. So this will be a good read for all the newbies out there. Looking at the other coins in the top 10, they're split between those who hit big in 2017 and are struggling to return to former highs, and those who have broken new ground in 2020 and have been seeing all-time highs. Both Ethereum and XRP are still a long way off from their market cap all-time highs. Ethereum's market cap has shrunk from 100 billion to 52 billion, a drop of 48%. XRP's market cap has sunk from 140 billion to just 11 billion today, down 92%. It's funny because all these cryptocurrencies have different use cases, and Bitcoin's king. Bitcoin's king right now, and it is showing us that right now in the markets. Chainlink's market cap hit 6.7 billion in August and has reduced to 5 billion today and down 25%. Chainlink, once again, we're getting in that. So it may be consistent store value, but it's certainly resilient. And that's referring to Bitcoin here at the last part of this article. Good little read for the little newbies who are getting involved with Bitcoin stuff. Definitely recommend doing your own homework. This is part of the way that I learned how to do my own homework. It was just reading news about the space and what's going on. So hopefully this helps you learn a little bit and gives you some tools so that you can start getting your own education about cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, you name it. We love this space, blockchain technology. It's your boy Bentwan. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys for joining Bentwan's block this week. Peace out.